Unlock the power of context clues. Boost your English listening comprehension. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English language learning with a special focus on listening comprehension strategies. One critical skill that can help improve your understanding of spoken English is the ability to use context clues. These clues can help you predict and anticipate what is being said, even when you don't understand every single word. So, let's talk about how to assess and improve your context clue skills. First, let's clarify what we mean by context clues. They are hints or pieces of information that can help you figure out the meaning of unknown words or phrases in a conversation or text. These clues can be found in the words, sentences, or paragraphs surrounding the unfamiliar term. For example, if you hear the sentence, "Despite the heat, Jane decided to take a long jog," even if you don't know the word jog, you can infer it's likely an activity that could be difficult or uncomfortable in hot weather. Why are context clues so essential in improving your listening comprehension? The answer is simple. When you are listening to English being spoken, especially in natural, real-life situations, you won't have the time or ability to look up every unknown word. By using context clues, you can predict the meaning of those words and keep up with the conversation. Now, let's talk about how you can improve your context clue skills. Strategy 1. Active listening. Active listening involves fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and then remembering what is being said. While practicing active listening, try to identify the words you don't know, then use the rest of the sentence or conversation to figure out what they mean. Strategy 2. Increase your vocabulary. The larger your vocabulary, the better your ability to understand context clues. You can enhance your vocabulary by reading extensively, practicing word association games, or using flashcards with new words. Strategy 3. Practice context clue exercises. There are many exercises available online and in language learning books that can help you practice using context clues. These exercises often involve reading a passage and using the surrounding text to figure out the meaning of highlighted words. Strategy 4. Regular practice. Consistency is key. The more you practice listening to English and using context clues, the better you will get. Try to incorporate English listening exercises into your daily routine. That's it for today's session on using context clues for predicting and anticipating content in English listening comprehension. Remember, the goal is to understand the essence of the conversation, not every single word. Don't be discouraged if you don't understand everything initially. With regular practice using these strategies, your skills will certainly improve. Keep practicing, and you'll see the difference.